Today we'll be heading up on this trail up towards the right, south of Zermatt, up on the east side of the Matterhorn. First stop is going to be Zermatt, Z-M-U-T, little village. There's some planes flying overhead also. Streaks in the sky. Making progress. Trail's a little icy. I have cleats on. Brought some poles too. So good. There's Moot. Be there in a few minutes. And that's where I came from. This is about the only place around that only accepts cash. They don't get that much business here because it's not directly on the ski slope. Just some hikers going by. Looks like they're offering, it says welcome, specials maybe. Looks like some kind of platter, pasta, omelet, salad, fondue. I've been in here in the summertime. There's a big deck on the side that's really nice. It overlooks the gorge there. Nice looking ladder too. It says no picnic, but technically I'm not picnicking, I'm just having a sip of water. This building had a new roof put on last summer. Just wanted to see how it was holding up. Took home a few samples, some scraps that are on the ground. Hydro facility with a dam in the back of it. We'll be walking next to it and over it in a minute. Just don't drop the phone. Little tunnel here to get to the dam. It's good that the water's pouring out of the tunnels. Didn't know if it would be. Very little snow up here, very little precipitation. It's been that way for probably a year, they tell me. Summer was the same, really dry, hot. This was the dam we looked at down in Zermatt. Water is crystal clear. This is where you get your drinking water from, and that's all I use. Was told years back, drinking water right out of the taps, 100% safe, right from the glaciers. I never buy any water here. It's the only place I travel where I don't buy the water. There are some trails up here. I have not taken them. Usually in the winter they're closed because of avalanches or avalanche possibilities, and in the summer it's too exposed, too hot, so I stay off of them. And the Matterhorn's going to be up here to our left a little bit. We're going up to the Stoffel. That's where I'll stop and take a break for a little while. Here's a layout how the hydro works. That's Moot, where I just came from. Hey, look, a little Via Ferrata. Old school ski lift. Goes to the mountain now. I think there was a sign that said, do not climb. But here I am. This would also look good in my yard on my trailer for decoration. And I made it up and down my first Via Ferrata without incident. Life is good. Another turn to the left, just up the road. Made it to Stoffel. It's about 6,900 feet above sea level. Well, Washington, to compare, in New Hampshire is 6,288. This is a good location. It's right on the ski slope. This building is new. It's only a couple years old. The original one burned down probably about 5 years ago. The owners that own the hotel where I'm staying actually owned this place. When they sold it, about a year later, the new owners were running it, and then a fire hit, burned it to the ground. Go figure. Took me about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get here. No hurry. Definitely about the journey, not always the destination. Although the destination is also pretty nice. Pretty smart design inside. All these windows are facing out, and those are the eating areas. No matter where you are inside, you're looking at the ski slope in the Matterhorn. Pretty nice. There's a fireplace inside. It's not lit though. The old place had a bigger fireplace, which was always lit. Hence the fire. Just relaxing for a moment. Pretty nice out. Heading back down. Until next time. Next stop, Fury. This is Hotel Silvana. Really rustic inside, really well decorated, great lobby. They have a swimming pool, really nice place. Not going up there today. The slope is right above where this kind of opens up. I think they're sensing some food. Lined up like I am at the buffet. Here they go. Just as long as they don't stampede me. Whoa. That's not good. The dog that's driving the truck, he's anxious. He wants out. The door should open the other way. That way when they get out, they don't go into the garage. Oh. See? Starting to approach civilization again at Zermatt. We're in Fury now. A few other restaurants and hotels here, right on a ski slope. Here's where the cleats come in handy, and the via ferrata rope. This is Zermatt, home of one of my, if not my favorite restaurants, right where that flag is. Restaurant Zermatt. Years back, they didn't have this greenhouse enclosure. It was just open. Didn't have many people outside. I used to sit right where that lady in the pink is, come down in the afternoon. Used to be pretty quiet. Now it's packed. Inside's tight. Has the best cream-filled cake around. They only make one a day. I just checked. They're all out. That's the table where the cream custard cake goes. Another day. That's the owner in the green sleeves. I'll be back. Well, looks like it's time for a few chin-ups. Did some. Could do more when I was 20. But the best news is I didn't get hurt. Now it's off to Blatton. This is Blatton. That place right there is a restaurant with the flag. I've eaten there upstairs. It's okay. Little church. Picture of me after my pull-ups. More Via Ferrata rope. Nice little rest area here, right at the base of Blatton. Sometimes this is mobbed. Kind of a light day today, all the way around, which is okay.